Guys, this is the video to learn how to get percentage in Excel, in Marksheet or any another way. You have to write this formula equal, select obtain mark, forward slash total mark and asterisk, then 100, press enter. Now double click this corner. So this way you can get the percentage. To get the grade, firstly we need to write this criteria: 90 plus A plus 80 A, 70 B plus 60 B, 50 plus 50 C plus and 40 C plus. Now we will use this formula equal if. Now write the select this percentage cell. In my case it's L2. Select it. So L2 is greater than 90. Make comma and quotation mark. Give the A plus. Again quotation mark, comma. Second, if L2 is greater than 80, comma, quotation mark, give the rank A and quotation mark. Comma, if L2 greater than 70, then give the B plus, quotation mark, comma. If L2 greater than 60, comma, give the grade B, quotation mark, comma. If L2 greater than 50, comma, so give the grade C plus, quotation mark, comma. If L2 is greater than 40, comma, give the grade C. Now comma, otherwise quotation mark, fail. If it's less than 40, so it will be the fail and quotation mark. Now 6 times type this bracket 1 2 3 4 5 6, then press enter. Now you will get the grade. To get the result, write the formula if. So equal if logical test, select L2, its percentage 75, greater than 33, comma, make it pass, quotation mark, pass, double quotation mark, comma, and otherwise fail, quotation mark. Write the fail, quotation mark, and press enter. Now here double click this corner. To get the rank equal, select this percentage cell L2, comma, and select now this L2 online. Now press F4 and press enter. So you have to write the formula rank here, this one, press enter. So this way you will get the ranking. So that's the video to learn how to get percentage, grade, result and rank in Excel. Thanks for watching.